So I thought I'd give you a little bit of a tour of where I built the van build 3. So it was a stone cottage on the hill. It was only literally 500 metres up the hill from where I did my van build, or gutting the van, and my second van build. So yeah, so enjoy the tour and the veggie patch tour, and a few activities and visitors that came and visited me along the way, and a few of the kids, a few of the mob from up in the territory, and how I get them working. So yeah, this is the stone house on the hill. I'll give you a quick tour of the veggie patch, and I'll show you everything else going on. So, yeah, obviously, my own hills hoist. So, little baby patch, the usual suspects, you can overanalyze all those. These have been in about a week or so, but I did obviously help them off first in that little greenhouse where I've got all the beetroot and more rocket, some random on the side of the road things that I always tell you about, some peas, and then I was in town, I got some beans because I couldn't find seed, and then obviously the random shit. And this is the big bed, something absolute, can I say coriander? That's literally a week old, so they're smashing. Look at what is smashing. These were massive when I left Cal, and little corns down the way there. So these are the lids at night, so nothing hits that. Oh, and then as we come back up, so it's been a bit rainy up here. So this is the it's an 11. I have to sleep, and then just a bit of pot of colour, my straws. These are what I had from the other place. So little mate Basil smiling, little mate Dill. And then hopefully a bit of colour, and hopefully I've just got to put those in, see if the peas grow. So we'll do a post before and after, and be happy to know I have cauliflower cheese in the oven tonight on the fire. I think it's actually ready. Wow. It's probably fucking up. Ooh, it's hot. Oh yeah, won't put it anymore. Look at that. Smell of vision. Tear up some Gracie's clothes. The kids are working it. Found a big ball. You found a big ball, Anima. Where's that? Where's it? Oh, where's a big ball? Oh, it's a big ball. Oh, don't let it roll over you. Good girl. Good girl, you bring it up. Round it up, round it up. Show me. You are bloody priceless, child. Up. Oh, Lena, mate, you are primo. So I had a couple of trees taken out today, the real arborists are here. This tree is huge. I'm dangling towards the house. Not the outhouse, which is what's next to the thing. The main house, which is through those trees. Although if it dropped, it would probably knock off my house. The van might be safe. So the boys are in there. It's pretty full on. We're waiting for the mad cut. Old mate's in there with his little pink shirt. You can see. So that gives you a better idea of how big that tree is. The 6-foot fella's next to it. So they're basically through. I'm doing a commentary day. They're basically through. We've had a branch break where we all shit ourselves because it obviously fell. The tree is supposed to fall the other way. So there's a tree, there's a rope right up the top of the tree that they put up there, and it's tied way back to one of the big old trees, and then back to old mate here. And then in theory that's supposed to hold it backwards, although it's swaying forwards. My vagina. La la la. Oh, oh. Get it down. Ready? You go next. I was about to walk on. So I've had a few visitors up in the van site in the Stone Cottage on the hill over the last little bit, and yeah, some of my mates have come up from Melbourne, and yeah, we've been enjoying Hanging Rock Falls and our swimming hole, and had the girls working, got a bit of van build stuff on the last of the demoulding van build 3.5. And while the girls were here, we also went up and sussed out my new living arrangements. In the next month or so, I'm heading up to a community, to an eco-village, so no domestic animals. And yeah, we're going to enjoy living completely off-grid. So I'm going to go up there and live in the van and yeah, have a bit of community life. So I'm going to enjoy that. So enjoy a couple of these last images that show a little bit of the property that I'll be moving up to. Enjoy, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next vlog when I go completely off-grid to an eco-village.